Hello everyone, I'm getting ready to make cream cheese pumpkin bread. I don't know about you, but I watch food videos all day long on social media, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, all of them. And on TikTok, I saw this lady, Yummy Eats, and she made pumpkin cream cheese muffins. It looked absolutely delicious. And this is her recipe written down. And I was getting ready to make the muffins, but I'm like, you know what? I have this cake pan that I am absolutely obsessed with. Or I guess I should say it's a bread loaf pan. And so I'm going to make it in loaf form instead of muffin form. It's pretty much the same, except it'll just be cooked longer. Instead of the 25 to 30 minutes the muffins would have taken, it's going to take 40 to 45 minutes in a loaf form. And another reason I wanted to do this recipe, Brittany, what do you think? Is because I have all the ingredients. Like the only thing that was questionable was cream cheese. Yes, I happen to have cream cheese. Pumpkin puree. I just wanted to use this can up. I don't even know why I bought it because I can my own pumpkin and I freeze my own pumpkin. So I'm not for sure why I had this. So I'm just going to use it up. And I had all the other ingredients. So first I'm gonna get all the wet ingredients together, which is the 1 can of pumpkin puree, 1/4 cup vegetable oil, 1/3 cup milk, and then 2 eggs. Every time I use vegetable oil, someone's always commenting, that's bad for you. Like if you watch my channel long enough, you know, I'm not worried about that. I'm not the most healthy eater in the world. So don't come to my channel for health advice. You're not getting it from me. I like food a little too much. And Brittany apparently likes watching TV. And also, I don't normally have the TV on when I'm cooking, so forgive me for the background noise, but it's hockey season. I love watching hockey. All right, next up, we're gonna add 1/2 cup sugar, 1/2 cup brown sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 2 teaspoon pumpkin pie spice, 1 teaspoon cinnamon. I did not grab the pumpkin pie spice. I gotta grab this. So I can't really link this recipe down below because again, she don't have a website, so I am telling you the ingredients right here. But if you Google it, I found several similar recipes. So it was pumpkin cream cheese muffins. And then if you do pumpkin cream cheese bread, there's also similar recipes, not this exact one. And they swirled the cream cheese different ways. I'm just going to put it in the middle. Another reason why I really didn't want to do the muffins is because they piped the cream cheese filling in the middle, and I just don't feel like piping today. I got to be in the mood to do that. All right, so then I added the other spices. All I have left is the dry ingredients. This pumpkin pie spice is almost empty, so I got to remember to add more. Maybe, why don't they make these in bigger containers? Do they make them in bigger containers? Because it's not even November yet. I'm going to need a lot more. So the last dry ingredients is going to be 2 cups flour, 1/2 teaspoon baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon baking soda. Here is the pumpkin bread batter mixed together. And now I'm doing the cream cheese frosting. It's just 1 block of cream cheese room temperature and then 1/2 cup of powdered sugar. I put half the batter into the pan, and now I'm gonna add the cream cheese mixture. All right, I have a layer of cream cheese. I didn't take it all the way to the edges because I want it to be in the middle of the bread. So if you look from the side, you shouldn't be able to see it, hopefully. I hope this doesn't raise too much because I have taken it all the way to the top of the pan. And the only reason I say that is because I flip it over. So this will actually be the bottom. So if it like raises too much, I'll just have to, cut off the bottom so it can lay flat. All right, it is finally done. It ended up taking like 65 minutes. I was using the toothpick method and it poofed up. And so like in the cracks, it wasn't cooked all the way. And I realized when you cook in a thick pan like this, it makes it, doesn't always get cooked all the way through, but 65 minutes, I think it'll be fine. A little of the cream cheese is out. So what I'm gonna do once it cools a little bit is I'm gonna shave off the top and then flip it onto a pan. All right, so originally I was gonna shave off the top to flatten it out, but I changed my mind because I don't know if the cream cheese bubbled up just there or if it's risen all the way across. I don't want to lose my cream cheese layer, so I don't know what to do. I guess I'll just leave it as is. I'm also hungry, and so I got Impatient. I just flipped it out of the pan. It came out smoothly, but since it's still warm, it's starting to crack on the sides. I should have let it cool a little more, and that wouldn't have happened. See, like this side, you can really tell it's starting to fall apart. That's the important, just showcases why you really need to let your breads and cakes cool before taking them out of the pan. But I'm hungry. All right, this is what happens when you get impatient. I cut it. It's still too warm. It fell apart. Honey don't care. She's still intrigued. It needs to cool down so the cream cheese can solidify again. Don't do it, Jenny. Don't be impatient. All right, here we go. It is steaming hot. 5 minutes would have been fine, but I'm too impatient. Oh, good. It would be better if the cream cheese would have solidified, but I'm hungry and I wanted something sweet. It's one of those things like sweetbread. You do have to let it cool down because there's some, bread, savory bread, fresh out of the oven. So delicious. This cream cheese really needed to solidify. I would make it again though. The cream cheese was a nice bonus.